Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel, Stitches and Tales with Rue. I am so excited that you have joined me in my journey on learning to embroider on my new Poolin EOC06 embroidery machine. I have never embroidered before, so this will be lots of learning, experimenting, frustrations, failures, and hopefully success. Join me weekly as I learn this new skill and hopefully make new friends. Please take a moment to subscribe and smash on that like button, and please share any tips, tricks, or secrets in the comment section below. Let's start pulling around. Look what the FedEx guy just dropped off for me. I am so excited. My Poolin EOC06 finally came in. I'm anxious to get this baby inside and start unboxing her and see what we've got. So please come join me for this journey. Hi everyone. I have my new Poolin 06 in my room. Look how big that box is. It was a little heavy, but I was able to move it by myself. I'm really excited. Come join me and let's take a peek at what's inside. I'm using my craft knife to cut through the tape. I ran it across the top and along the sides. I did this twice to ensure all the tape was cut through. Opening the box now. Let me get these flaps open so you can see a little bit better. I see the tearaway stabilizer, 9x9, 100 sheets, the quick guide and user's manual, three of the plastic hoops, they're a little thicker than I thought they'd be, three roller guides, there's one for each size of the hoops, and I'm going to pick up this large table tray here. It has the Poolin logo on it. Let's remove this styrofoam to reveal what's underneath. As you can see, it's being a little bit stubborn on me. Here we go. I think I got it now. There she is. There's my new baby. This bag has a bunch of goodies inside. I see bobbins, embroidery thread, thread stand, and some other items. This one over here has scissors, needles, and a few more items. We'll take a closer look in a little bit. Let me remove this plastic to get it out of our way. She is packaged really well. I'm going to remove this power cord. And I see the fourth hoop attached to the machine down there. That's the 8x11. Okay, time to lift her out of the box. She is a little heavy, but not too bad. Let me put her on the floor here. She is a beauty. I love the Poolin bunny logo. It is so stinking cute. Look at that thing. Let's explore these items a little closer. There are lots of bags to open. The first bag, we have a power cord. Let me open the second bag. Second bag, we have a thread stand. I believe they refer to it as a wire rack. We have 9 buckles and 9 buckle connectors. The pre-round bobbins, pretty colors. We have a box of embroidery thread. We'll definitely open that up and check it out a little later. Opening another bag. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Oh, there's lots of goodies in the bag. It's all falling to the floor. Let me organize it just a bit. Okay, first we have the USB and the USB cord. We have the bobbin casing and the cover. I believe that's an extra. Little scissors. We have bobbins here. Let me pick these up. 3. We have 5 clear bobbins. A little wrench. We have a stylus pen for the touch screen. We have 3 pin caps, 3 different sizes to hold the spools of thread. A little screwdriver. Tweezers. Those should come in handy. We have the brush with the little seam ripper that pulls out on the other side. We have 3 packs of needles. Each pack has 3 needles in them. So there's 9 needles plus the needle that's in the machine already. So we start out with 10 needles. And let me pull out this large table tray. It has the Poolin logo and the little bunny. Cute, cute, cute. It is very large. Let me find the opening on this bag. There we go. Sticking to the plastic there. Let me pull it out. Okay, here we have 3 hoop ruler guides in 3 different sizes. There's one for each size hoop. Next is the bag of hoops. There's 3 in there. There's 2 5.5 by 5.5. There's the first 5.5 by 5.5. There's the second 5.5 by 5.5. And we have one 8 by 8. And the 8 by 11 is still attached to the machine. We have the quick guide, the user manual, the operation manual. It has lots of details. I'm going to flip through some pages here, and it has lots of photos to go along with the details. So lots of pictures, lots of instructions. I'm going to finish flipping through to the end for you. And we have the tearaway stabilizer, 9 by 9 sheets, and again 100 in the back box. Let's remove the styrofoam. I'm also going to remove the hoop. Be careful removing the hoop attached to the machine. As you can see, I had to maneuver it around just a little bit. It's a little tricky to remove. I had to find the right spot. Again, be very careful. There, I got it. I am going to leave the other piece attached until I have a chance to see how to properly remove it. I would hate to break it straight out of the box by being too impatient. I'm going to take this blue tape off, and let's peel off the plastic covering to the touchscreen area of the machine as well. I have everything on my table now. Let's take a closer look at everything again. Let's start with the 4 hoops. We have 2 5.5 by 5.5, 1 8 by 8, and 1 8 by 11. Really nice sizes. I'm impressed with the hoop sizes and the quality. There's the power cord, the USB with cord, the screwdriver, the wrench, the stylus pen, the seam ripper and brush, tweezers, 3 packs of needles. Each needle has 3 needles inside of it. Gives us 10 needles to start. The pin caps, the 5 clear bobbins, the scissors, the thread stand, the connectors and the connector rods, the bobbin casing and the cover. We have the bobbins. We have the embroidery thread, the stabilizer, the quick guide, the ruler guides, and the operations manual. Let's check out this embroidery thread. Let me get these flaps out of your way. There's 6 spools inside. Let's pull them out so we can see the colors. We have blue, such a pretty blue. White. Purple. Black. Oopsies. Excuse my clumsiness. We have the green and the red. Okay, let me stand this box back up, and we'll go ahead and reorganize the colors so we can see them. We have the black. We have that pretty purple. We have green. We have the blue, the white, and the red. Look at the colors of the pre-wound bobbins. There are 25 colors to choose from, and they are really pretty. I'm so in love, y'all. Again, a lot of accessories that came with the machine. I'm impressed with the amount of accessories. I'm impressed with the quality of the hoops. It was packaged very well. I'm going to remove this styrofoam piece here, and I'll need to remove this manufacturing tag. It's just showing us the model and that it was manufactured in November of 24. Now let's look at the large table tray. I've never done embroidery before, but this looks like a nice size table to work from. Let's take one final view of everything. I really am in love, y'all. I'm impressed with the Poolin EOC06 machine. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please like, comment, and share. And please be sure to join me for my next video where I set up and thread my new Poolin EOC06. Hit that subscribe button and select all so you'll be notified. Until next time, y'all, keep pooling around.